Rainforest Ridge, Ballina property. East Ballina's last ever residential estate. The final stage is now selling. Single and double story homes, all individually designed to complement each other and provide privacy from your neighbours. Enjoy security, native gardens, a 25-metre heated lap pool, gym, billiard room and relaxation lounge, all perfectly located close to beaches, shopping precinct, golf, airport. The final stage construction has begun. Act now and secure your preferred block, select single or double story, and construction can be tailored to suit your time frame. Brand new homes from $645,000.